Welcome back, guys. So in this video I'm going to briefly talk about the Spring Boot reference projects which are found on the Spring IO website. So if you navigate to one of these projects, so for now I'm just going to navigating to the Sagan project. So this is a reference project which was implemented by the Spring team. So this project is behind the Spring IO official website. So as you can see, this website is actually implemented or using this sagan uh, project. Okay, so this was created using or implemented using the Spring Boot. So what I would like you to do, or I would recommend you to do, just clone this project on your system as I have done it, and take a look at the project structure, how a Spring Boot project has to be created or implemented. So this is a very nice example of how the folder orientation should be done in the Spring Boot application as well. So as you can see, this is basically a blogging site. So you will have all those related implementation in this site. So in this project, so go ahead and explore this. Okay, even before writing your first Spring Boot application, just go ahead and check the existing applications which are used by thousands or by millions of users. So this is an open source project. You can definitely contribute to it, but this is no longer that much active as it was before. As you can see, the last commit was done maybe a few weeks back. So the development has been slowed down a little bit, but still you can contribute to this if you have any better idea. So go ahead and check yourself. And so what I'm gonna focus here is that this application has a nice structure. As I have said, that they have different layers of um, source code, and then they have the test cases covered here as well. So they have this all those configuration files as well. So this is using Gradle as its build tool. So clone this project on your local machine and check the uh, implementation. Okay, so just get the idea. You don't have to understand every bit of it, but just get the idea from this project, and probably you can reuse some of its components in your own project. Okay, so this is a very nice reference and very helpful reference project for the developers who are going to build or planning to start off with the Spring Boot framework. So with that being said, there is another reference project which is vastly used by most of the uh, Spring Boot developers, some in some way. Okay, that is the Spring Initializer. So if you have ever used a Spring Boot application, or if you are familiar with the Spring Boot framework, maybe you have heard about this Spring Initializer. What it does is that it allows you to create a Spring Boot application from web itself. So you do not have to configure all those uh, a bulky configuration yourself. So if I just briefly go ahead with this Spring Boot Initializer, so this is also an open source project, so you can definitely go ahead and check the source code, and probably you can contribute to this project as well. So this project right here, as you can see, Spring Initializer, is actually this one. Where am I? This one. Okay, so as you can see, they have the basic information covered associated with this project. So you can go ahead and check what this application is all about, what it allows you to do or users to do. So you can basically create your first Spring Boot application right from this application, Spring Initializer. Okay, it will allow you to provide or it will provide you all the dependencies you need in order to create the your first Spring Boot application. And then definitely it will not provide any implementation. You have to do it yourself, but what it does is that it helps you to get rid of the bulky boilerplate configurations of a conventional Spring or conventional Java web framework. Okay, so check these projects out, check these reference projects out, check their implementation, check have a look at their folder structure, code orientation, and how test cases are covered, test cases are written, and all those configurations as well. They have done it. And it will allow you to understand the concept of Spring Boot application a little better. So thank you so much for watching. See you next time with another Spring Boot video. Peace out.